Hi there. Sometimes you want to sand a small part. Having a big multi-tool makes it difficult to sand. Plus, some multi-tools like Dremel 3000 can be too loud. I am going to show you how you can solve this problem by using simple parts. You are going to build your very own sanding tool. First of all, you need an old DC motor from a broken toy. Then you need a shaft coupler or shaft connector. Then you need a sanding pencil or grinding pencil. Tighten up the shaft coupler. You need an electric power source. In this case, I use a total of 6 volts. That's equal to 4 AAA batteries. Next, grab some wires. I use crocodile clips. And finally, some tool for holding would be nice. I use a special pliers. If you want to be the first to view my tutorials, subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you.